Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to send Robux with Roblox for free. If you want to send Robux to another Roblox player without paying an additional transfer fee, there are few official methods. So one of the most common method is a group. So if you own a group in Roblox and Roblox group that has Robux in its group funds, you can pay eligible group members from those funds. To do this, you need to open the Roblox and you can simply go to your group or community or payouts and choose the member that you want to pay, enter the amount Robux and confirm the payout as well. And the group must have enough Robux available and recipients may need to meet Roblox eligibility requirements before receiving a payout. And another option is to support another player's creation. If the person you're sending Robux to has created a Game Pass, clothing item or developed a product, you can purchase it. The Robux will be credited to the account after Roblox processes the transaction, although Roblox deducts its standard marketplace fees. And that is it. That's how you can send Robux using Roblox official features. Whether you use group payouts or purchase another player's creation, always use Roblox built-in methods to keep your account secure. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.